Hello, Microsoft Excel users. Welcome to our channel. Suppose there is a list of cells filled with background color red or green. Now you want to fill texts based on the cell filled color. For instance, if your cell filled with red color, you want to write correct. If your cell filled with green color, you want to write incorrect. And if you cell filled neither of red nor green, you want to fill text neither. To use a formula to auto-fill cell with a specific text, based on the cell-filled color, you need to define a name firstly. Step 1. Select a cell, supposing cell A1, click Formulas tab and click Define Name option. Step 2. In the New Name dialog box, type my color condition in the name box, and enter this formula into the Refers to text box. Click OK. Please check video description to copy this formula. Most important note is that A1 indicates the cell A1 in the sheet named Formula, 10 and 3 is the color index. You can change them as you need. For more color index, please check the video description. Now, in the cell which is filled with color, you can type this formula, equals my color condition. Press Enter key. Then you will return the text based on the cell-filled color. So, hope you have achieved some valuable information. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials.